Okay, this is our corner suite at the upper house. So we're just walking in. So they do not call it a hotel and call it a house, and that's a reason for it. And this is a nice little decoration, although we tell them we have nothing to really celebrate. But anyway, it is the harbor view. And then this is my check-in letter and some gift. Okay, and this is the dining area. Again, you know, a very huge living area in our suite. And then walking in to check out our bedroom. Okay, so this is our bedroom. And again, you know, because it's a couple's day, I think they have made some small decoration for us. Okay, now moving into the walk-in closet area, you know, a huge area as well. Okay, so this is the bathroom area. Okay, so this is their signature bathtub. Okay. Although we have seen picture that is facing the harbor, but you know, we just ask, even we have the harbor view, not all the suite is facing harbor because they do not have a lot of, you know, view of the harbor, but it's okay. It's quite nice. And this is the rain shower and all the things if you do not want a bathtub.